Good morning. Hello. How's it going? Hello, yo. Bon matin. How's it going this morning? Hello, guys. How is it going? It is Thursday. Rainy again on our end. So rainy. I still can't test out my raincoat though, because it is a little too light for this temperature. It is like 1 degrees out there. Yeah, still kind of chilly in the morning. A little too much. But it is supposed to be like 18, I think, tomorrow, and it's like, oh my god, yes, good morning, Darby, hello. I'm doing good, thank you. Hope you are also good. It is very gray this morning. I knew it was gonna be gray anyway. I looked at the weather beforehand for office walking, and I knew it was gonna be raining today again. A light drizzle. We may get some sun later. Nice, nice. Maybe. Tomorrow, more rain. Yay. Yay. Yes, there was a live yesterday. I'm never lived on YouTube. One on Wednesday. So maybe that's why you missed it. Oh, it was supposed to be 18. It changed to 14. Why? Still not a bad thing. 16 Saturday, which means I could probably change my tires. Yay. Because I do it myself and I do it outside, and when it gets cold, it's not great to change tires when it's cold. Kind of cold on the fingies. With 0, you left home. Yeah, I kind of knew it was gonna be kind of chilly. Yeah, it's like 1-ish, I think. That's what I saw on my temperature thingy. Tried to change yours last weekend. Yeah, I'm waiting. I also have to go to my parents' place to do it, and I wasn't going there last week, so yeah, it's a ways off. It is a ways away. It's a good 40-minute drive. So yeah, I'll be changing that. I do it myself. It's a good workout. Definitely a good workout. Tires be heavy. I mean, tires themselves aren't bad. It's with the whole mag inside it. Yeah. Metal is pretty heavy. And the hard part is when I don't jack it properly, and then I have trouble putting the new tire in, trying to like align it, and I'm like, and I'm fighting it. It's so heavy. 21-inch. Yeah, no, mine are 16, I think. Oof, it's been a while since I looked at that. Yeah, they're not very large. Yeah, when they're stuck, you're just like, get in there. And like, my parents' place is not asphalt in the driveway, it's rocks. So you like fighting the rocks too. So that's fun. On my Instagram, oh, I never look at my Instagram, to be honest. I occasionally look at it, but I turned off notifications on Instagram and Threads. I only get them on Blue Sky. Also, I've installed a new like social app, a Canadian one. It's called A. I don't know if it's gonna do well or not. So far, I don't know. I was just trying it out just to see where the Canadians are at. Alright, RPG. And also, I think the app made like kind of bugged out. I was like, ooh, this app needs work. It definitely does. Cause I'm tired of seeing just American news. I just want Canadian stuff too, you know? Local stuff. Because Blue Sky and Threads, it's all American stuff for the most part. And occasional German news that I get. I don't know why I get German news. That's random, very random. Experience leveling up. Is that where we're at? Ooh, we've changed modules. English be hard sometimes. Experience leveling up. Okay. Sorry, I'm very coffee this morning. Coffee, as in coffee. My coffee doesn't have fur in it this morning. Yay. The fur is still beside me also. Like when I show you guys all the fabrics and stuff, it's still there. I haven't moved it. Also, my fish's aquarium has become very yellow. But that's normal. Because I put wood in there and it's getting super yellow. I was looking at it this morning. I was like, ooh, piss aquarium, yippee. What? The second one, mod UI. What? What are you trying to say? Is it a magical spell? What are you trying to say? I tried to take a picture of the aquarium and the camera doesn't give it justice. It's just cameras. They'd be too good. You can kind of see it with the yellow of the wall behind. But yeah, it's quite yellow. Also, the fish is judging me. He's just staring at you, bud. I really went yellowish because I added this piece of wood here. He's making lots of bubbles, so he's a happy fish. These bubbles mean happy fish. But yeah, he was looking at me all mad this morning. He's like, you dare! You dare! Looks like spelling I would use. Yeah, same. It's L. Pronounced it for you. What? What are you talking about? But you can see the wall behind is usually white. But it's quite yellow, but it still doesn't give it justice how yellow it's become. Project, yes, if you want to see how far along we are. I really got him looking at me like, the hell you want from me? Silly fish. I've been meaning to add a camera and have Epoch Cam on the aquarium. Maybe I'll do it at some point, like maybe for the just chatting streams, maybe we'll have the fish in the background. Could be fun. I said fish tank. No, it's not. It's fine. It's alright. Yeah, I have a better picture where we see him sideways. He's all blue. He's very pretty. Although he does kind of blend in with the rocks at the bottom. The rocks were from my other fish. My other fish was red, but then I was like, ah, now I lose the fish in the bottom of the tank. Great. That almost looks like your dice tower. Oh, the house he lives in? Yeah, he likes that house. Yeah, the dice tower's up there. I have to fix it. I kind of busted it up a little bit while moving and stuff. It lost its chimney, its little point at the top, and other bits and bobs. Yeah, it looks a little rough. A tiny bit. Okie dokie. Let's put this on this screen. Make it smaller. So I can see what's going on with OBS. Man, I need a third monitor, but at the same time I also need to replace the main one in the middle. I've been looking at some monitors like quickly when I went to Canada Computers last Saturday, just like passing by looking at stuff and like looking for 32 inches, realizing it's not that easy. There's really, anyway, not in the store. Lots of 27 inches, but not a lot of 32. I just want like a little bit bigger. Like I was doing Blender and I was like, if I had just a little bit more, like tiny bit more. And then we looked at the OLED ones. Oh, the price on those monitors. Oh boy. Oh boy. No, it's a little too expensive. It's like the price of a computer, a full computer. Not my computer though, but yeah, a decent, like normal, everyday computer. Thank you, Danbury. Yes, it is. Man, what's the name? Not cufflinks. Handcuffs. There we go. Yes. Yeah, it is starting to really oxidize though. It's starting to lose its coating. It is a cheap necklace, and now my hands smell like metal. Great. Let's open Steam. Steam. Woo. Oh, I started watching an anime yesterday and I was not expecting what it was. I was watching, it's called My Dress Up Darling. Definitely not for children. I was watching, I was like, what? What am I watching? No. No. No, I was not in jail, but the anime yesterday, yeah, I don't even know if fan service gives it justice to how intense it was. Very, yeah, you're an adult now. Depends with country, because if you're 18, for us you're an adult, for Americans you're not. They go for 21. La, 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 la. But yeah, I don't know if you guys have ever watched My Dress Up Darling, but I thought it was gonna be kind of cute. No. Oh god. Like the girl's like, oh yeah, I'm in this dress, and like she jumps and you get like the full panty shot, and I was like, oh, this is the, oh, I wasn't expecting this type of anime, but it's kind of funny though. It's still funny. But I was like, okay, where is this going? We just don't let them do much. Yeah. Yeah. What was it? 77. I can open this, it's fine. 77.50. Ah, to reset. And thank you for the follow. Oh yeah, I thought I missed something. I didn't hear that. Maybe my music's too loud. Maybe. Also, let me turn it down a bit for you guys. Odd. Must have like gone through the music. But welcome in, good morning. But yes. It's something else. Yeah, it's like on that line of being a hentai. It's like it's like, should I be watching this? Good thing I don't have children. Oh, jeez. Watch yourself if you watch that. 50. Like, I was looking for something to watch while I wait for another episode of which had Atelier, which is like super cute compared to the other one. Yeah, sorry, cosplay is a hentai character, but it's, oh my god, it's just so stupid. It's definitely not for children, but it's also kind of funny. Like, sure, there's all these like sexy moments or whatever, but like, it's also kind of funny. So it's hard to explain. It's hard to explain without getting explicit. Yeah, and then the guy has to like play the game in order to get reference for the dress he's supposed to be making for her, and he's so focused playing the entire game, and his grandpa's like, okay, I guess he's that age, but why is he so focused? Like, what? It's just so dumb. Yeah, he's always pushing around her. Never watched any hentai yet. You don't have to. It's yeah. Anyway, let's get out of that subject, because we have to switch the stream to 18 plus, guys. This is family friendly. Yep. Yep. What a subject this morning. Yep, Godot. Imagine I just start making a hentai game. It's like, oh shit, we went down the wrong road. Okay.
Hello.
Ah. I hate that it doesn't remember my settings of muting the audio. Alright, we're still on the same course. I still haven't continued yet. I feel like I'm going slow on this one. Although I haven't really done a lot of Godot outside of stream, so that's why it's not going as fast as I like it. It's a bit intense. Let me turn it down maybe a bit. But yes, I like it. Like, if I were on my own, to work on my own, this would be more the type of music I'd go for, versus the lo-fi. The lo-fi I went for because it's more like morning music, it's calm, it's nice, but in reality, that's not what I listen to on a daily basis. Didn't you watch one at the con you went to at Stabo? Did we? My memory is really shoddy sometimes. Did we? Please remind me of what the heck you're talking about. Did we? Oh, no. It wasn't. Oh, I know what you're talking about. No, it was burlesque. Yeah, I remember now. Burlesque. A little different. It's a little more tasteful in a way. It was fun. It was really fun. other than the fact that it's a little out there, but it was fun. Like lots of people just having fun, just like woo. How do I explain it without it sounding odd? But yeah, burlesque. So they're not fully naked. They're just like partially, and it's more of a show than anything. It's more like entertaining. That was fun. It was just a pain to get in there because everybody wanted to watch it. We got lucky because we had friends there already. Well, he had friends. They're his friends. And then we got a seat pretty close. Well, pretty close. Somewhere midway. Sorry, Anime at the con. Had a rule about hands where they could see them. Oh, no, I think I just mentioned that, but I don't think we went to watch one. No. No, we didn't. We mostly did like vendors for the most part during that con because we couldn't get into anything other than the burlesque show. That was very disappointing. Like we didn't manage to get any activity. They were all full and like, ugh, never going back there. And there was an anime convention last weekend. I didn't go because I had to do groceries and stuff and had too much stuff to do. It was very productive last weekend, but yeah, I'm kind of sad that I did miss the anime convention. Oh well, I'll just go to Comic-Con in October. Hopefully by then, maybe I'll be done with the Witch Hat Atelier cosplay. Maybe. Depends. Depends on budget. Maybe I'll have a hat and a brush buddy. Brush buddy, I'm pretty sure, yes. Brush buddy is pretty simple. Oh, I know what we'll do in Blender tomorrow. The leggies. Do some little leggies. I should go to more cons. Well, I wish there were more cons around here. Like, I don't want to travel. I just want it to be, like, local. I don't want to pay for travel. Because when it's local, it's, like, fun. But the only thing we have here is a very tiny anime convention. That was last weekend. And a very tiny Comic-Con, which is getting bigger. But then again, I do prefer when it's smaller, because bigger... It's too many people. I don't like it. I don't like when there's too many people. Is what I'm realizing after the big one in Montreal. Also, the heat didn't help. Okay, what are we doing? I'm completely out of it. Added an XP bar in... Where am I? Battle World. Player... Whoa, that scared me. I don't know if you guys heard that, but there was like a boop boop. I was not expecting that. Okay, it's in control. Add another control. Call it player level. Player level. Inside, we're gonna add a label. And that we're gonna call player level again. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. I hope your morning / afternoon / evening is going well. Player level. And then we're gonna have the progress bar, right? Yes. Makes sense. Ah, I don't know why I did it like that. Hello, control. I don't have it. There, progress bar, XP bar. XP bar. There we go. A con is a convention where you go to an event and maybe go to panels where people talk about things, or there's merchants that sell their stuff, usually illegal fan-made art. Okay, Disney stuff sometimes that shouldn't be sold. Or Pokemon. Please don't do that. Don't sell stuff that you're not supposed to sell. PAX East and Boston is when I really should go to. It's just in March though, so I'll have to try again next year. Yeah, to be honest, I'm kind of avoiding your country. Sorry. Right now, not the moment. Be going out there and maybe stay in a prison for weeks because of ice. No, thank you. I don't want that. Don't believe the news. I'd rather not stay stuck still Yeah, no, no thank you. No. I'll stay in Canada and give my money to Canada. Sorry, I am part of all the boycotts and things. Okay. Let's see. In the world, their level, this is gonna be level 1. Whoa, hold on. Hold down. XP bar. It's kind of hard when I'm trying to do something. Pay attention. Step. Value. 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 What's our math? 100? Okay, cool. Yes, support local as much as I can. Which is why I tried out the Canadian social network app that I got. It's not the best, but maybe talk to other Canadians. I don't know. Like I just sent a post out there and I was like, hello, I'm new here, and at least 2 people answered. It's very empty. Not that many people on it. But yeah, I'm looking at it. It's like, it's called A. There are some people that are not from Canada on there. You can come from any country and be on the app. But you do have, you can have like the city under your name. See if I can find one that's not Canadian. Yeah, I just found one. It's United States written under there. I'm like, why are you on a Canadian social media? But yeah, support local, indeed. Okay. I feel like I might have gone ahead a little too much. Layout. Custom minimum size. I want it to be how many? Is that 200? 210? 10? Oh, I didn't style it. Oh, I should have copied the other one. You know what? I will, because I don't feel like getting all the styling of it. I don't feel like it. Maybe I'll change it to like a green, maybe, because it's XP. What's the app again? It's called A. 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 Like, it's something we Canadians say sometimes at the end of our sentences. It's quite balmy out there, eh? Eh? Also, we don't talk like that. EH. A. That's all it is. EH. Okay. Okay, where is it? Colors. Oh god, I forget how we do this. Constants, fonts, no, styles. Oh, here I think. Oh, it's gonna be fill. I want the green. Oh no, it's both. Oh, I forgot how we do. Oh my god. How do we do that again? Oh, I have to uncheck that. Hold on. New style box flat. There we go. Oh man, I have to redo it. Boo. Oh, there's probably a way of copying it. Let's go green. Don't you know that's how they got the name Canada? They drew letters out of a hat. Canada. Sure. Of course. Oh, I have to nah. I almost don't feel like doing it. Fuck it. It's gonna stay like that. I don't feel like styling it. Not important anyway. Do I want it smaller? Yeah, I do want it smaller. It's less important than the health. Layout. Stop going. Custom minimum. Let's go 100. Oh, can I? Oh, Shoot, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Oh wow, it's been a long time. I don't know how it works anymore. Help. Bad jokes, yeah. Very family friendly, yeah. Just don't listen to the beginning of the stream. Was it in transform? Oh, there it is. Okay. Ooh, I was wondering. Let's go smaller. Little tiny whiny bar. Like this. Also, it's kind of bothering me that there's no organizer or nothing on this. Okay, I want this to be a vertical. Crap, what's it called? It's a V-box? V something? V-box. Put that up here. And inside that, we're gonna put this one and this one. Gonna bring this one above. Oh boy. Ooh. That's so hot. Good morning, hello. It doesn't bother you that your phone and TV and everything, the vacuum's also gathering dirt on you. Yes, hello. Yeah, at this point I'm just like, what's another one? Yippee! Sometimes I almost want to do like the incogni or the aura stuff to like maybe get that figured out. Like, I don't know. I don't even know if those companies are, you can trust them or not, you know? Player health. But I would love to get my stuff cleaned off the internet, but that means giving all that info to other people's. What the fuck did I do? Okay. Hi guys, hello. Yes, be warned. Don't be like me and go, whoa. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. God damn it. Align is good. Let's begin. I hate that it has a size. Can't it be irresponsive? Can it be? La 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 la. Let's make it 200. If I just... Why did my size go bonkers? The hell? What? What happened? So it's like limiting my size because of that? Huh. Okay, fine. I won't use it then. Jeez. I'll figure it out later. This is not what we're supposed to be doing. Oh, I messed it up. No. Fine. Wee, helper. That's quite the helper. Hold on. That might be a bit much. What will they do with my voice when I only talk about Pokemon? Well, they can do stuff. They can indeed do stuff. I'm gonna put it down there. All right. What's it stuck on? I could do like position stuff and everything. Just don't feel like doing that right now, and I just messed everything up. Yay! That's kind of annoying. I wish it was more like a display flex or a display grid. Like in CSS. If I could do CSS with this would be beautiful. Just like have it work the same way would be great. But no. going on this morning. Can I... Why? What did I do? Where is my chart? My chart? Yeah, where's my chart? What did I do? I messed it up. Can I just go like... There. Problem solved. Oh wait, one more. One more? There we go. Just think about it, not talk, then how would they know? They can't read in your thoughts. Ah, my eye's itchy. Oh no. Hopefully it doesn't do the thing that it does sometimes where I scratch and then it becomes worse and I have to scratch more. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put you under. Over here. Like under the health bar. This is a bit big. A way bit big. No, not font size. Font size! That's awfully big, but then again, I'm super zoomed in. It's not very pretty. I could definitely do something prettier than that, but who cares? Who cares? That's more than enough for me. Oh no, it's doing the thing. Like, for example, like, if I have maybe touched a cat and forget and then I scratch, then I'm screwed. Because allergies. Fun allergies. But yes, controls can definitely limit them. I can see that. Kind of annoying. Also, I still have the feedbox. The feedbox not doing much. Now that I'm realizing. Hold on. Let's go bring this back up. Okay. It didn't limit much. Didn't stop me from moving things around. Okay, that works enough. That's good. Good. Styles, don't care. Blah, blah, blah. Styling. I just want to get to the coding part, please and thank you. Oh. Oh, he made his level nicer. I don't care. It's gonna stay like that. Ah, my eyes itchy. Yep, it works. Okay, next. What are you doing, sir? Oh no, he's still styling. Oh my god, is that all we're doing? Oh no, it's not. It does not. World. Script. World. And then we're gonna add under it. Export. Export. Var. XP bar, I'm assuming. And it is a progress bar also. There we go. Let's save, because I don't think I saved in a while. XP bar, skip ahead. And also the level label. Export. I don't always do like enter when Godot gives me the suggestion because I'm used to my VS Code at work that I can't just do that. I turned it off because when you tab, it would go for the suggestion, but I wanted my tab to be emmet. Emmet is like a way of doing HTML where you can just like write A and then you do tab and then it just gives you the whole HTML that you need. But then it was kind of interfering with the autocomplete thing, so that's why I don't have the reflex of doing that. Also, I hate the way my variables are named right now because I've been doing snake case. I believe that's snake case for the most part, but then these two are not. Oh, this one is. This one's not. Interesting. Why would I? What a weird phrase. Put pineapples in ponds, please? Put pineapples in ponds in pond, please? In pond? What? That's the first time I've heard of that tongue twister, I guess. I don't know where I used it. I would change it, but I'm not sure where I used it, so I'm not gonna look for that level label. XP bar value. Oh, it's here. Oh, Wait, I haven't used it. I can modify it. Boot. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oops. XP bar value equals player state. I'm assuming I have XP. Yes. What are we doing? XP bar max value. Max. XP. XP needed. Okay. Max value equals player state. XP needed. Oh, found one that's not right. I found a variable that's not written right. Oh well. Do we have level? Player state. We do have level. Look at that. Interesting. So then what happens next? We put the level. Level label, text probably, yes. I'm trying to assume what he's gonna do at the same time before he writes it. So I can be like, aha, I has learned. Oh, keyboard, where? Okay, there it is. Level plus player state level. There you go. Wow. Oops. What happened? Valid assignment property key value where here? Hold on, what? XP player state XP bar value XP bar. What's this one? It's just a number. It's just what? Bye bye. Have a good class. Thank you for coming in. Oh, he's also bugged out. Ah. Oh, right. Because one of them is not a string. This one. String. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, stop. Ah, which one is it? This one too? But this should be right, no? Interesting. Oh, he's been bugged. That's a problem. Did the exact same though. Valid assignment of property key or key value with value of type int. Base object type nil. Did I write it wrong? No, it exists. If I don't think that's gonna help it, but no, of course not. Oh, why? Why do this to me? Okay, let's keep it there. Why a bug? Invalid assignment of property or key value. What the? Does it? I'm pretty sure it does have a value. Yeah, it does. Hey, I'm lost now. But I done the thing. Why? What am I missing? Player level. Oh wait, hold on. I know why. Wait. No, it's just... No, I don't know why. Brain's not working this morning. I'm sure, look, if I was awake, I'd be like, oh yes, it's this thing. That's why it didn't work. Oh, hold on, I just realized something. These two are identical. Why? Because I copied it. Hold on. Where's that? Or just rename it. Just rename it. XP bar. XP bar. That it? Yeah. Okay. He does have an H box container. Look at that. Oh. Well, okay. It doesn't matter. I don't think that's why it bugged. No. Thought not. Because I'm not even associating it with this. Because this is not even associated to anything. Let me see. Player state. Can't change anything. Steam store is alive! What's the name of the game again? If you can post that so people can look it up on Steam. Haven't linked it to a node. Yeah, I'm figuring that's kind of the thing. I just forget where we do that. I don't think it's here. No. 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 I'm a little confused. Chrome Carnage, if you want to look it up on Steam for those who are watching. It is live. It is live. Congrats on your Steam page. Mine's the car one. Ah. In the ready? Yeah, no. No, because the health bar would be there too. I'm just trying to figure out what we did with the health bar. XP needed. That's all the same. Identical. Wait. No. Weird. Anyway, there's something unrelated that I was weird about his, but that's fine. 5. What the heck did I miss? Gotta be something else. It's not in the ready for sure. It's to be in that script as it's a new var local to that script. Yes, but if I go off what we did for this one, it's not that much different from the other one. How did we associate the health bar? What? I'm confused. Hold on, let's go back a second. Level, no. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's one of those inspector things. I have trouble with those. Oh, it's in. Is it in the control? XP bar, world. There it is. I have no problems with the code, but when it comes to the inspector, I always have trouble. Go there, you. There, that's why. Level label. Level label. Whatever, let's just assign it. There we go. Ha. Ha. Raging girl, hello! I'm doing good, thank you. I hope you're doing good too. It's been a minute. Yes. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Yeah, need to do an inspector. It's not the same as doing it in the code. Ta-da! I knew it was something silly like that. Of course, we have no XP. So, yippee! Okay. And the inspector's gonna be the death of me. It's just like, I can understand code, but when it comes to like placing items somewhere else, it's like I feel like it's harder to trace for me going through the inspector, because like, for example, JavaScript code, I can be like, okay, where's this value coming from? You just go up the code and like find it. I can't really do that with this. I'm using another dating app, another that just abandoned the dating apps to like me just go, whatever. The dating apps. Also, I've seen some weird news going around on threads about some academy. I won't say the rest of the what it was, but yeah, great. The world is great. I'm just gonna stay inside and never go out again. I just like using code. I know it's yeah, that's also doable, but I'm learning Godot, so I might as well learn it as much as I can. Yeah, it's a link in code, but I'm trying to learn from this tutorial and I was a little lost there. XP needed. Did we? I'm just trying to catch up where we were. I'm not sure where I stopped at. XP needed. Oh, I didn't write that function. Get required XP. Is there a variable in there? I can't see. There's a button there. Here! Wait here! There we go. Level. Obviously. Level, which is an int. I'm doing a little more than he did. Is it returning anything? Yes, it is returning something. It is returning an int. It makes sense. Oh, where is that? Is it this? Yes. I don't feel like changing my keyboard. Return. Round. Our level 1.8. Why? Is that what I'm saying? 1.8. I should probably listen to the explanation as why it's 1.8. I don't feel like it. I'll do that later. Times 4. It's probably a math explanation, but I don't feel like doing math this morning. Yield. Never heard of that. Open relationships and kink, but not necessarily seeking that, just open-minded to it. Oh, I feel like that can lead to maybe misunderstandings or some weird people. Hope it goes well for you. But I no longer wish to open those apps. I'm just like, whatever. If it's gonna find me, it's gonna find. Why did we write far and then funk? What? Ready. Hold on, I just want the rest of that. Thank you. XP needed. Whoops, I wrote it differently. Oh, I missed a bit. Hold on. Back up. Back up. Okay. XP needed. Get required XP, and then I'm assuming we're passing the level. Yes, that's it. And then we go back to battle. Save first. Go back to battle. What are we doing? What are we doing? Enemy death. That makes sense. Enemy death. Get required XP. Get required XP. Wait, aren't we putting that in something though? Because it's returning a number. Strange. Wait, so hold on. I'm trying to understand. Get required XP returns. Oh, it returns. Huh? But I really should listen to the math of this. What is this doing? Oh, well, that's, yeah. If you have a disability, yeah, it can be pretty hard. Although, I don't really go out either much, so that's kind of a skill issue on my part, I guess. I should go out there, but I don't want to. Anyway, I don't really want to. But I hope it goes well. I hope it goes well for you. As for me, the others know. I don't have any interest in like dating or anything. I'm just thinking about it. I'm like, ugh, effort. I don't feel like it. Did you know that a famous Roman emperor Julius Augustus Caesar died more than 3 years ago? Yes, it was indeed more than 3 years ago. What? Why are you saying that? I saw an ad for dating app for meeting trans people. I don't know what I think about it. They hate when people want to date them for being straight. Ooh, yeah, that's kind of a double-edged sword, kinda. Ooh, ew. Yeah. I feel like you can just meet some weird people everywhere on any app, all of them. Like people with bad intentions, they're everywhere. Like, for example, guys who are already married and looking to meet on normal dating apps like Tinder, like, well, not normal, that's not the right term, but and then you like meet them and think they're great, but then turns out they're secretly married and you're like, hasn't happened to me, but I've heard it happens. I'm like, I don't feel like going on apps right now. Yeah, it can for sure bring the weirdos. For sure. But again, do trans people want to date other trans people? Maybe they do, but maybe they don't? I mean, it works for you if that's what you're looking for, but yeah, the weird people that just, ugh. Ugh. Yeah. Ugh. Dating, just dating in general, just, ugh, these days. All sorts of ugh. Yeah. Anyway. What are we doing? Required XP. Oh, world. Wait, no. Battle. I don't understand what he's doing, but anyway. And the ad made it look like. Ooh. I mean, no, still bad. Like if. Still kind of an odd one. Yeah. Kind of iffy. Ugh. Like, don't you want to date someone for them? Not just what they identify as? Like, you want someone for their personality and get to know them and I just want to vibe with someone. I don't want like all those weird things. So complicated. I'll just stay inside. I'm fine. It's like, for me, like, all those things, like trans or your sexual orientation and all that, like, it doesn't matter. As long as you're a good person. I mean, for friends, not for dating. For dating, obviously, I'm straight, so I'll obviously go for a guy. But, like, as for friends or meeting people and stuff, like, I don't understand people who are like, ew, you're this, ew, you like that. It's like, who cares? Are they a decent person? Okay, cool, let's hang out. Is it a throuple? Oh, that sounds complicated. She's happy she doesn't have to choose anymore. Well, that's okay if that's your thing, but to me that sounds complicated. More complex stuff. Single life has its perks. I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. And not have to wonder why this person is not writing me for the last 2 weeks, and are they ghosting me? What are they doing? You can drag properties from... Yeah, I know I can. But I don't know, I like writing them out. It's just me, but thank you. Hello, Nasmo also. Good morning. I have a friend, Carter, who is a... Well, I might as well switch because we're almost ending. I have a friend, Carter, who is a trans man. He's absolutely transphobic if trans women... Huh? Against trans women. That's a weird one. Well, okay. Weird. Hello. You don't have to be sorry. It's fine. It's fine. You're trying to help. I get that. At some point, I'll become more efficient with Godot. It's already 58. Time flies. But yeah, to me, the Baron, is that a word? Is that a word or is that French? Is like, are you a decent person? Do you have a personality I can vibe with? Do you have similar interests? There you go. That's for friendship. For relationships, there's also the attraction factor, obviously, because if I'm not attracted, it doesn't work. I've tried. Believe me or not, I've tried. It doesn't work. My brain's like, no, it does not work. That, you mean this one? Which I have to pause. It is not a clock, it is a timer. So it's in its own time zone. But right now I am in the Eastern Standard Time zone. And welcome in, Halimir. Hello. Good morning. We have hired all sorts of people and always say the same thing. I don't care what you do off the clock as long as you work hard and are respectful. Yes. Exactly. Respect. World's at dawn zone. Yes. Indeed. It is. What is it at? I'm gonna shave off maybe a few minutes. Maybe put it at like 10, 77, 10. Because we did chit chat a little bit. 10. Let's update that. 10. Publish. Publish the website. There we go. Yeah, that explains. It's like, what the heck is going on with that clock? 77. Whoa. What time zone is that? Okay, we are Thursday. Normally Kirsty's on? Yes. Good. Because I don't want to raid for a third time the same person. No. What's it counting down to? Let me mute Kirsty. Let me show you. Oops, hold on. So I'm doing this little challenge where I'm doing 100 hours of 4 different skills, and it's counting down the amount of time I spend in those skills. So yeah. One of her 3 usernames is streaming. She has so many usernames. Like the other day she was in Jam stream. She was like, hey, it's Kirsty. And I was like, how many names do you have? Jeez. If I'm too sheltered, socially awkward for relationships because every app I can attract men because they're usually after a longer thing, but with women, I can't get more than a hello from them. Maybe it's just... Maybe the women are just used to weirdos on the apps and they don't tend to want to answer. I feel like women are maybe more selective. Maybe that's why it's harder. It's a hard world out there. You'll become an expert in all of them. For sound, but I should do good in the other 3. Maybe. I guess by the end of the 100 hours on sound design, I should be better-ish. Norm, hello! I'm eccentric. Yes. Norm the eccentric. Yes, you are. Hello, good morning. Get a job on. Gosh, you guys are a lot of work. Yeah, guys can be too. Surprisingly sometimes. Poor sound design. Yeah, imagine I would just make a game with the worst sound design possible. But then if I do on purpose, I have to be good at it. Or not. But yeah, so far the only folly I got is the sound of a dishwasher. Like, hold on, before we leave. Sound... is this gonna go through? I don't know. No, you guys are not hearing that. Hold on. Audio source. Let's go for this one. Just a temporary audio source. Listen to my dishwasher. That's all I have so far. It's the sound of a dishwasher. It sounds good. I really captured it well. Sounds good to you, it's good. Well, yeah. Sometimes people don't do very well with sound, though. Some games don't have some very good sound. I got a dishwasher soundboard. No, it's just that I captured it with my little microphone. I got a new micro SD card for it, so now I can continue doing sounds. It's here. It's just I forget about it. I never think of recording stuff. I keep telling myself I should carry it around. Like, I bought this case for that very reason, to be able to carry it around. But I leave it on my desk and forget it. So annoying. Does shopping for sounds and hiring commissions count toward the hours? No, it does not. It's 10 hours looking at an artist on Fiverr? Whew. In a factory game? I guess it could. Yeah, if I have like liquids going through a pipe or something. It's a babbling brook. Ah, yes. The sound of the babbling brook. No, you can hear the machine through it. Why can't you guys not hear it anymore? I lost it. Weird. Anyway. Weird. Remove. Go away. You are random. Mobile phone is also good. Yes, but this is made for that. It's a little bit better for that. Plus it's got 32-bit float to it. The sound is fresh linen. Linen? You wash your linens in your dishwasher? Okay. Okay, that's a way of doing it. Yeah, I just need some time to... Hello! Welcome in, Pikachu from YouTube. Hello! Good morning, how's it going? But sadly, I really must end the stream. I'm gonna do like yesterday and go overboard again. No! Ah! You've got one too, yes. I know, like, but like my phone's not the best. Like, I don't have the most recent phone. It probably works fine, but kind of... I'm at the point where I almost wish I had a new iPhone, because my version is too old that I don't have some of the settings on the camera. Like, I don't have exposure or all the other fun things I could play with, but yeah, I have a very basic version of the camera because I have an XR, iPhone 10R. So yeah, what version are we on the iPhone? 16? Something like that? I'm a little late. 17? Ugh. Ugh, maybe when we get to iPhone 20, I'll change. I'll change and then I'll get an iPhone 16 or something. I always get like one that's older because I don't want to pay big money. 5 minutes over. Just 6 minutes. It's fine. It's fine. And here I am looking at iPhones. Don't do that. Don't do that. Going downhill? Well, the newer ones, yeah. Yeah, I'd probably go for like 14 or 15 or something like that. Just to get the settings on the camera. Because it's just annoying every time I see tutorials, people doing like some really nice pictures. It's like, oh, you do this and that and that. And I'm like, I don't have that setting. My phone's too old. How annoying. No idea how I got here. Well, welcome. Hi, what are we doing? We are ending stream. I'm sorry. I must be going to work. But if you are interested in following along, there is a project going on. Let me pop that link up again. Okay, I was like, hello, YouTube. This link there, that explains the project of the stream. And yes, I must be going. I must. We are going over to Kirsty on the Twitch side. Stream manager, where are you?
They don't have engines, they don't have wings.
Oh, I haven't heard that one yesterday.
It's a basket in the sky.
Yeah, before you need to do the thing. The command. I want to do one too. Hold on, I haven't heard this one in a while either.
Why is it spicy?
All right, we're going over to Kirsty. Give some love to Kirsty. I have a lot of fun on her stream sometimes. A little chit-chatting. She only streams twice a week on this. Yeah, it's spicy. It is. My Joseph Darling is definitely on the spicy side. Don't watch for children. Ugh. Yes. Going over to Kirsty. She streams art on this channel. She has multiple channels, and right now she's doing photography. Yes, she used to be a photographer, but now she does more like art stuff, I think, for the most part. So I hope you guys have a nice day. I'll be back tomorrow with some Blender. We're gonna be modeling the little legs for my brush buddy. I forgot the name of it. So it's gonna have to be 3D printable, which makes it a little bit harder. And I forgot how that works. So that's gonna be fun. I haven't done stuff for 3D print in a while, so yay. So it's just gonna be like a little hand going like this, and then an extension for inside the fabric, so it holds better. So it's not just like a little peg. So yeah, we're going that way. We're running out. Bye.